Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful pendant set design. In last video we already made the earrings and this time we will make this beautiful pendant. For making this I am using pearl cotton thread, a cotton thread, starch, fabric glue, 11 number crochet hook, clip, scissor and golden jewelry chain and jump ring. First we will make the base. So magic ring, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in ring, 2 double crochet in ring. So I will make total 12 double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my 12 double crochet. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. Again 3 chain, in same stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 2 time double crochet, in next stitch 2 time double crochet. So I will complete this round by making 2 time double crochet in each stitch. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. Now our base is ready. Now we will make leaf. So start with chain, one, two, three, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2 chain, in third chain half double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, in next chain half double crochet, in last slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 2 chain, in third chain 1 half double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, in next chain 1 half double crochet, in next chain slip stitch, in next chain slip stitch. Now one more leaf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2 chain, in third chain 1 half double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, in next chain 1 double crochet, next chain 1 half double crochet, in last stitch slip stitch. So these are our 3 leaves. Now I will connect through middle leaf and first leaf by slip stitch. Now these 5 chains, so I will work here slip stitch, in next stitch slip stitch, in next stitch slip stitch, in next stitch slip stitch, in last stitch slip stitch. So our leaves are ready. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will apply starch back side of our leaves. And let it dry. Now we will make bud, flower bud. Start with magic ring, 1 chain, single crochet ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will pull the thread, connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now 1 chain, 1 single crochet in same stitch, in next stitch 2 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet. So I will complete this round by making 2 single crochet in each stitch. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first chain by slip stitch. Now third round, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch. I will complete this round by making 1 single crochet in each stitch. I have completed my round. Now I connect by slip stitch. Now I will work 2 more round by using same pattern, 1 single crochet in each stitch. I have completed my 5th round. Now in 6th round we will decrease. So in 1 and 2 single crochet. Now 3 loop on my hook and pass through all loops. In next stitch 1 single crochet. Now in next stitch 1 and 2 single crochet in one time. In next stitch 1 single crochet, again decrease 1 and 2 stitches together. Next stitch single crochet. So I will decrease 2 single crochet in one time, then in next stitch 1 single crochet. Now I will complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the slip stitch. In next round I will repeat same pattern, 1 single crochet in stitch, next stitch decrease by 1 and 2 single crochet in one time, then 1 single crochet in next stitch, and now decrease 2 single crochet together. I will complete this round by follow this method. I have completed my round. Now I will fill thread inside this bird. Now I will close it. I will pass through this side to this side and slip stitch. Next stitch to another stitch and slip stitch. Now our bud is ready. I will cut the thread. Now I will make a stem for bud. So I will double the thread like this, and from the center from the top of bud where we closed, now I will pass through it here. Now one thread over hook and now pass through these two loops like this. Now I cut the thread. Here is our bud. So we made these three parts: the base, bud and leaves. In last video we made earrings. So this time I made two flowers by using same method: base, leaves. I already made leaves and buds. So now we will assemble these parts and make a beautiful pendant. Now we will attach our parts on our base. Now I will add jump ring. Here are our beautiful pendant and earring set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.